Hi, this is Shiva. Today, Docker's tutorial on Docker commands on containers. So, Docker container ls. Show the list of running containers. Docker ps. Show the list of running containers. Both commands will show the list of running containers. Docker ps hyphen a shows the list of stopped and running containers. ps-a will show list of running and stopped containers. So now we run a nginx container. Docker run hyphen name my nginx container name detached mode port mapping 80 and image name. Docker container ls shows the list of running containers. Okay. Now we stop the nginx my nginx container dock docker stop and to container to stop container name. Now we are giving that command docker stop container name. So it will stop the container my nginx. So docker container ls will show there is no running containers. This command only shows the running containers only. Docker container ls shows only the running containers. Docker ps also same shows only the running containers. But now docker ps hyphen a command will show all running and stopped containers. Here we stop the nginx na, it will stop show the stopped container also. Now we run another nginx container. Docker run hyphen name my nginx one detached mode port mapping 888880 image name docker ps hyphen a. This command shows both running and stopped containers. See now it will shows both running and stopped containers. Now you understand. Nginx, my Nginx one is a running container. My Nginx is a stopped container. It will show both running and stopped containers. Docker container ls only show running containers. Docker ps only show running containers. Docker ps hyphen a shows both running and stopped containers. To delete a stopped container, Docker rm container name my nginx. It is already stopped by using the docker rm container name. It will delete the stopped container. Docker ps hyphen a. See, there is no container. My nginx, it will delete it. It will delete the stopped container docker rm and container name will delete the stopped containers. To delete a running container, docker rm hyphen f force. By using the force, we will delete the running container. Container name is my nginx one. Sorry, my engine one. A typo issue. So it will deleted the running container. Docker ps hyphen a. There is no running containers and stopped containers. Docker rm docker container ls. There is no running containers. Docker run hyphen name my nginx detachment mode port mapping 80 nginx docker run docker stop and my nginx container name. It will stop the running container. To start the container, docker start will restart the container. That's it for today. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.